In this video, we're making chicken Parmesan. You ready? Let's do this. In 3 separate baking dishes, add 1 cup of flour, 4 beaten eggs, seasoned with salt, pepper, and oregano, even though it was supposed to be parsley, followed by 2 cups of breadcrumbs. Moving on, take your chicken and place it in the flour. After both sides are coated, dip it in the eggs. Then into the breadcrumbs. And repeat this process for the remaining pieces of chicken. Next, grab a frying pan and coat the base of it with oil. Heat the oil on medium-high heat. And in small batches, add the chicken, frying on both sides. For the cheese, grab a pound of mozzarella and thinly slice. In a baking dish, pour 1 24-ounce jar of marinara sauce. Add the chicken and top it off with the mozzarella cheese. Bake at 400 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And just like that, we have chicken Parmesan.